Hey, Mr. Peace here at Maryland Elementary School, home of the Makos, home of the Mako Sharks, here in Vista Unified School District, Vista, California. I just had my third and final visit of this school year, 2024-2025, here in the MPR for the AM/PM students and staff after school program. And today's topic was perseverance. The sub-theme was have a growth mindset, right? This is one of the slides from the presentation. And really it's this conscious choice and effort to really start focusing and thinking more positively than thinking negatively, right? Whatever we tell our brain and heart is going to believe. We don't want to have it be something negative, we want to have it be something positive. And that's really the premise of perseverance too, where we don't quit, we don't give up. We're always trying our hardest. Despite difficult situations or tough times, we're always going to keep going, right? Keep pushing, persisting until success happens. And the students really got that today through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, a poem about how powerful we are, and just some experiential exercises too, that show the need for us to talk kindly to ourselves, make that a healthy habit, but then also speak kindly to others, right? That's part of that growth mentality. We don't want to have a fixed mindset. Fixed means we're just kind of sticking in a rut, in our comfort zone, which is a dangerous place to be. But we want to get out of our comfort zone, right? We still want to keep improving, keep growing, keep getting better each and every day, right? And knowing that mistakes can help us learn. If we make a mistake, that we're not a mistake. If we fail, that we're not a failure. If we, even don't succeed the first time, we're going to find a way eventually, right? That we might say, I haven't learned this yet, but I will, right? With the right approach, maybe a different strategy, and knowing that challenges are opportunities to make us stronger, right? That we can grow from that. And with that approach, really nothing can stop us, because, the person we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. We definitely want to be telling ourselves something very positive. And that also means that we believe in ourselves, right? So this is a concept I bring up in every assembly, but especially this one, how we are somebody, but we're also miracles, right? The M in all of our hands. A lot of students had theirs traced too. The M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy. That we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe that, now we can go shine that light towards others, encouraging them the right way, right? Helping them grow, helping them improve, not being jealous if somebody else shines, but really supporting them, supporting one another. That's what this is all about. Knowing that there's always someone out there that loves us just the way we are, believes in us too. And sometimes it's our best friends. Sometimes it's the adults that really care, part of this program here at this school, in our lives, in our community, family, friends, whoever it is. We can always keep assisting each other, helping one another. And that's what I was trying to really hammer home through the assembly today. And with the shirt that I wear, same with my positivity, be your best self one, it says keep your head up, right? The words are upside down on purpose. So if you're looking down or feeling sad, it's a reminder to keep our head up, to always think positive no matter what. So it's really just been an honor to continue to grow with each and all of these life lessons that I've been able to speak to and share my heart through to the students here. Kind of keep becoming a family more and more each and every time I get to visit. Like I said, this is my last time for this school year, so have a great rest of the few weeks to finish out strong. Have a great summer break. I look forward to reconnecting in the fall as well. As always though, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.